Good morning, guys.
Very good morning, sir.
As you know very well, it's Tuesday today, special for teaching day. So I will teach you electrode bond. First of all, I tell you what is electrode bond. Electrode bond is it, a, it is a process of donating, means in hiding way, means political parties declared that scheme which by which we can get you can support to political parties, means you can donate to political parties. It's called electoral bond. I tell you what is the hide thing of electoral bond. There is no name who donate it, and there is no number, no name, and no information who donor of electoral bond, because it is a combined process of political parties, means like there are many political parties create this electoral bond, so that's why they hide it. Because they don't want to show who are donate to us, means I tell you what is the purpose of it, what is the purpose of this declared this scheme. I tell you, means that purpose is who is citizen of India, and who is citizen of Indian organization to provide donation to electoral bond. Means I like, if you are any citizen of India, and you have any type of KYC to RBI, so you can purchase electoral bond and donate to any political parties. I tell you what is how electoral bond work. So basically think you can you can think like an electoral bond like a coupon. The political parties, the coupon you can purchase by SBI, any branch of SBI, and you can donate to any political parties, and political parties could redeem the coupons to any SBI branch, and they could the in case to convert in, means, and for electoral bond to convert in encase, means if you are there is a limited it's there was a limited amount, means if you are purchasing its minimum amount to 100,000 of per electoral bond, maximum 1 crore you can donate. I tell you how, means how it is scam. You know very well nowadays news are going on how it is scam. So there are many allegations. I tell you number one allegations. If you are if you are donate to any political parties to electoral bond, so they provide to any business, means I tell you an example. If you are providing, if you are donate to political parties, so they provide to any business. It's a main reason to scamming. Like example, you know very well, Nivas Yoga allegations, means it's a company by which you what I forgot that tunnel name was collapsed before days. What what was the name? Means when for 14 employees, what was the tunnel name? I also forgot. Means Uttarkasi tunnel. So yes. So Nivas Yoga allegations donate 55 crore to BJP. So BJP gave to tender, means you can build the Uttarkasi tunnel, but due to due to scamming means Uttar Pradesh tunnel. BJP gave to that company. Why it was means who person built the Uttar Pradesh tunnel, so that there is a low means chief job, and there was a employee who are not working properly. That's why that tunnel uh, collapsed a few years. And 60% of electoral bond got BJP, and remaining 14% to got another parties. So there are two reasons to how it is means it was a scam. Supreme Court declared it was unconstitutional. So may I tell you about first violation of uh, right of information. Second is quite pro code concept, means like give donation, take business. It is a process of BJP, means BJP gives business if you are donating to electoral bond to BJP. So that was my topic. If you have any question, so you may ask. Yes, sir.
So electoral bond is a like a funding, like a fund.
Yeah, if it's
I
a
listened about it. It is a scam,
yes.
but it is not a scam.
How?
But I am
I
asking.
told you it is a scam because due to it is a it is the strategy of political parties. Means who means if you are suppose that you are donor, you are donate to BJP. So
But
BJP,
suppose I want to donate BJP. You can. I can donate easily.
yes, you can donate it easily.
Any
Any political parties.
any political party we can donate.
Yes.
And anyhow
What?
we can donate.
Yes, we can donate any political parties. Means you can purchase by SBI branch and donate to political parties, and political parties redeem the electoral bond to SBI. Means convert in cash to SBI bank. Yes, sir.
Okay, so my another who started this fund
It's
and
just,
why? What was the reason?
I told you why it started with political parties. Why? Because they want to means if they want to donate, they want to collect donation by any agencies, any businessman.
So I think that the political party made it without
Yes.
any taking permission. As you were, as you told us that
When it was started, so all parties support it.
all parties support.
But it started 2017. But if you know very well, when BJP came, so they mostly companies
Excuse
support.
me, the person who asked the question. Please.
Okay.
What was your question?
I was asking that who made it and why? What is the benefit?
I tell you,
Okay.
because all parties created it, because if all parties collect donation by any agencies, companies, and many
So
businesses.
okay, as you were saying that you can donate 1 crore
Yes,
maximum.
yes.
So I mean that if one person is donating 1 crore rupees, so government will not ask that how you can got this money.
It is a way to you if you have it is a also way to black money to convert in white money. Means if you have lots of money, so you can purchase
So
electoral bond and
if you are donating 1 crore rupees, so government will not ask to any person that why are you donating?
why government ask? Because it's a beneficial for government. So why government ask? If government oppose it, so how he how they collect
Okay, so as you were telling to the Rohit sir, that everybody can donate his fund in this fund. So there is no any type of requires the requirement.
Yeah, there is a requirement. I told you there. If you have any citizen of India and you have means you have any type of KYC by of RBI, so you can purchase.
There are no need to another documents.
Yeah, you know very well. It's a hiding thing. I told means you need to your number and name, address.
Okay.
Mostly.
Okay, thank you.
You can give it.
Hello, sir.
Hi, ma'am.
Sir, I have a question that is it also impact us or not?
Yes, it's also impact us
So how?
because Supreme Court declared it was unconstitutional because due to if suppose that we are donating to BJP much amount, so BJP will give you like any tender and any contractor to how means any contractor to any type of company. BJP provide you contractor like means Nivas Yoga irrigations, they donated to BJP 55 crore rupees. So BJP returned a contract to build Uttarkasi tunnel.
If we are not paying any rupee for this, so it also impact us or not?
There is no impact if you are not
Interested in this.
yes. So why impact
So
us?
is it not impact the people who are living here?
It is
Who are
not
not interested in this.
yes. If you have interest, so it's impact to you. If you are not interested, so you there is no impact to you.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Sir, sorry. Can you tell me what is the KYC? KYC.
KYC is a process of banking. If it means I forgot that full form. Yeah, I think it's right.
Yes.
Know your customer. KYC is that thing by which any bank to know that who is my customer.
It is good or bad for you, for us?
It is good because if there is no information for you, means you are customer or not, so it is good for us.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Yeah.
Sir, you told many times.
Yes.
Means I can say that you alleged on BJP many times. This BJP gave contract in exchange of electoral bond. But sir, it's a fair policy to give contract because there are lots of contract on that list, and from among them, which bid is lowest means tender is awarded to them. And sir, it's not on BJP hand. It's a fair system, government system. So how you can say that means BJP
I can
give
say
business in the exchange of
because
electoral bond?
BJP got 60% amount of by electoral bond. If BJP BJP can say that if you are not donating for me, I can I will catch you by EDI and SBI, CBI.
But sir, all means around 40% means
Another political parties.
means amount is on means opposition party,
Yes.
and they have no power to award tender that tender. So why many businessmen means donate electoral bond to that party?
It's depend on supporter, which party support that supporter. If you are supporting means if you are donating much amount, so if you are donating much amount, so you have to means you need to any type of profit if you are donating to.
Sir, also BJP have many supporters. That's why they are ruling party, and still means got 60%. So sir, means in compared to 60 and 40, so also BJP have means many supporters.
Yes.
So how
So-
you can say that in the exchange of business they got that money?
Because when I came to know about it, so BJP got 60%, and it is a second allegation of BJP. If you are not donating to BJP, so BJP catched you by EDI and CBI.
But sir, it's no official statement by BJP or any person. So means it's a
Suppose
it can be fake.
if you are donate 1,000 rupees to any political parties, so what is the reason to donate you to any political parties? You need to there is a
Because,
any
sir,
profit.
in my condition, if I donate means 1,000 to BJP, so sir, if division banded, I feel safe in means rule of BJP, and also my family feels safe. So that's why
I also told if you are supporter, so you can donate it and you can take benefit by it.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Have a nice day to all.